Hello, if you have a plugged bathroom sink, don't use baking soda and vinegar. I'm not sure where that trend came from, but I don't know why it would work. It would be a very minor block if you do have a problem that baking soda and vinegar works. So here you can see the sink is backing up. It's not draining very well at all. It does go down slowly. However, you can see that's not how a sink should drain. The drain on a sink is sized to handle the water that goes down it. In fact, it's larger. So what you're going to do first is if you have an overflow, it'll be on the opposite side like this is, and you're going to want to plug that off. So next thing you want to do is get some water in the sink and then just use your toilet plunger. A lot of people don't do this, and it's probably the best way to fix it, or at least the place where you should start, because it doesn't cost you anything. And what you're going to want to do is make sure you got a good seal on it. So again, you're going to want to plug off the overflow drain if you have one. And then just keep trying it. You can see I've got good suction on that, which means there is a blockage in it. And I'll just keep pushing up and down, and there it goes. So now I'll run my faucet. And you can see how well it's draining now. So don't use baking soda and vinegar. Thanks.